I fancy my best friend's boyfriend. What should I do? Oh!
Stay away. I'm sorry.
Stay away. That is a big no for me.
Absolutely no way. Hi guys and welcome back. I'm Zeliha.
And I'm Ayse, and welcome to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking to you guys about all your dilemmas. So we're going to be doing a little bit of a girl talk for you guys.
So before we get started, make sure you guys are subscribed, press the notification bell down below, and also like this video. Okay, let's get started.
Right, so the first question is, I know the guy I like wants to be with me. Do I wait for him to ask me to be his girlfriend, or do I ask him?
Do you know what? I feel like with the year that we've had and everything that's been going on, if you want your man, you're going to get your man.
I agree, 100%.
Do you know what I mean?
Why wait for him? Because
Yeah.
I think he might like that. He might like that you've kind of gone out there and thought, you know what, I'm going to ask him.
Yeah.
It's quite cute, it's different.
Yeah,
Not
I
many
totally
people
agree
do
with
it.
that. Like, if I liked someone, I'd definitely be like, you know.
Well, when I was single, I tell you, I feel like I messaged a lot of people before they messaged me. But that doesn't bother me. I just think,
No,
why not?
yeah, me too. I just feel like it's like, what's the point? You could be losing out, and some guys could be just as shy.
Yeah.
So why shouldn't girls do it? So, girl, go and get your man.
How do you get over an ex who you were in love with? We broke up 3 years ago.
Oh, wow. Aww. Is
I
she still
think-
not over him?
I feel like it's just one of those things.
Time.
It's just time. You've got to distract yourself. I feel like, I know some people don't like this saying, but I really go by this saying of everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
And I think if you were meant to be together, you'd be together. And if you're not, you're not. And
Yeah.
I generally think it's just time. Just give time to just give time for yourself now and just work on yourself.
Focus on yourself.
Yeah.
You go and do what makes you happy, and then, eventually things will fall into place and you won't even think about that guy anymore.
Yeah.
And clearly, if it's been 3 years and nothing's happened, he's not worth it.
Wait, I think she meant she was with him we broke up 3 years ago. Oh,
That's what I mean. I know
That makes
that
me
hurts
sad.
my heart that she's still thinking
but
about
do you know
it.
what? You deserve better.
Yeah,
I know you
he's
love
not
this
worth
person.
it. He's
but
not worth it.
you will find someone when the time's right, and it'll just fall into place, and you'll be like, oh my god, why was I so stressed? It happens.
Yeah.
We've both been through
Why
it.
was I just over Darren? Like, all this time. What's the point?
Michael.
Yeah.
He'll be nobody to you soon. Trust me. You will get there. I promise you. I fancy my best friend's boyfriend. What should I do? Oh!
Stay away. I'm sorry.
Stay
away.
That is a big no for me.
Absolutely no way.
Wait.
No.
Oh, best friend, boyfriend. No,
No.
sorry. I just had a split second of thinking brother, but no, boyfriend. Definitely no.
That's it. Nothing else.
It's a no. There's
Please
nothing else
don't
to
do
say.
that. You will ruin your friendship with your friends, and that is so not worth it over a guy.
And she's clearly not.
And she's with him.
Yeah, she's got the
with
boyfriend.
him. No way.
No. How do you come back from sending the most embarrassing drunk messages? Have you ever done that?
Yeah, I've sent messages drunk and thought, what the frick did I do that for?
Yeah. I think you just
You
get
just
all
blame
like,
it on
cocky.
no, you blame it on you being drunk and laugh it off. You laugh with them, it's fine.
Or just don't ever talk about it again.
No, don't do that.
Why?
Because then it's awkward. Go, oh haha, oh my god, if I say you, that's so funny, it's so me.
Just don't seem
You
bothered
gotta be,
about it.
yeah, you gotta act like you're not bothered about it.
Yeah.
If you don't say
Everyone's
anything,
done it.
Yeah.
Everyone's done it, surely.
You just gotta laugh it off. And if you bring it up, it's like, oh lol, sorry I sent you that last night, I was so drunk.
Maybe don't let them say it to you. You bring it up so it shows
so
you're
then
not
it's like
bothered.
you're not bothered and they won't think anything of it.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Do that.
My mum hates my boyfriend. What should I do? Oh.
Do you know what? I always feel like mum's always right.
But the thing is though, mums always have a soft spot for
Sons, yeah, they do.
No, that don't make sense because it's her boyfriend. The mum hates her boyfriend. Mums always have a soft spot for their daughter, and they're very
And their
protective.
sons, yeah. Mums are always going to be protective over their kids.
But why
Instead-
don't they like the boyfriend?
Well,
What's
there
the
must
boyfriend
be a
done wrong?
reason, yeah. We need more to this story.
We need
We
more.
need to know more info on this.
I need to know what's going on.
Yeah.
Is the boyfriend done anything wrong?
Or
Hey.
or is your mum just like wants you to be single for the rest of your life? Like, what is it?
We need to know. I feel like with this question, let us know a bit more behind what the boyfriend's actually done, and then we can go with that.
Yeah.
But then either way, like, I do think definitely take your mum's advice if you if you trust your mum. But I think there's
only if there's a reason. If there's not a reason, then
do what makes you happy.
What you want. Yeah.
Well, if mum didn't like Ben.
Mum didn't like one of my exes, and she was right.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. Mum's always right.
Yeah, mum's
in
always
some way,
right.
If there's a reason. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Oh my God, it's Christmas Eve.
What, today?
Yeah. When this goes live, it's Christmas Eve.
Oh my God, we should sing a Christmas song.
Here comes Santa Claus. Yeah, we will at the beginning.
To end this, or to intro it.
To intro it, yeah.
Okay. How do you cope with having a breakup but not being able to go out because of lockdown? Right, I can answer this because I had a breakup during lockdown as well. Well,
so did I. Get back to your ex.
Actually, mine was before lockdown. Mine was January, but you know, I was single during lockdown, I guess. For me, you've got to keep yourself distracted. I actually was just like ready to move on with my life. I was so ready, and
that should be the time when you're there mingling online. Then you don't have to worry about getting ready, shaving your legs to go meet a guy.
I know, 100%. Do you know what I mean? I loved it. I was on Tinder. I was so bloody bored. But my outcome is obviously I now have a boyfriend, and I'm very, very happy.
And she's pregnant.
And I'm pregnant, so it must have worked out fine. So honestly, just mingle on Tinder.
Yeah.
So many people put me off Tinder, I'm not gonna lie. And then I thought, do you know what? I'm gonna just give it a go. And it was actually really fun. I met a lot of new people that I never would have met before, and they're really nice people. So give it a go. Ignore the weirdos.
Yeah.
Brush them aside. Just make new friends, or just work on yourself. I don't know, build whatever you're into. Yeah. Online shopping, YouTube channel, get on Instagram. What else?
That's it.
Hang out with your friends on like FaceTime.
Spend more time with your family. Don't worry. Just mingle. Just mingle.
I've been seeing a guy from Tinder for over a month. I really like him. We haven't made it exclusive, but I saw that he's been using his Tinder still. What should I do? Okay.
Ooh.
If he's still using his Tinder and you guys are seeing each other in over a month but you've not made it
then he's not worth it.
Yeah, I just think he's probably not in it.
No, he's not fully in it.
Because why are you still on Tinder?
Yeah, because I feel like if you're with someone and you're like in love with them, you don't care about wanting to
You're
speak
in
to
love
other
with them
people.
in the first month.
Not in love with them, but
what? I wasn't in love in the first month. Not in the first month.
Yeah, but you're obsessed with someone when you first meet them.
That's peak time.
Do you know what I mean? It's like the first couple of weeks is like the best time.
I guess if they're not feeling, what you're feeling, it's probably not going to work.
No, it's
Maybe.
not.
Saying that, very early on in my relationship, I think I was giving it a little bit more my boyfriend now, Jack, we were both on it, weren't we? Like, we were so obsessed with each other.
Yeah.
Then I think it died down a little bit purely because of the fact we were in lockdown.
Yeah.
And then I was still more on it and he wasn't. But then turns out we're together still. And I think it just might be that he's not quite there yet. He's not ready.
Yeah.
Something might just be holding him back.
Yeah.
But don't think so negatively on it, because honestly, it might just take that a few more weeks, just make him realise, maybe take a slight step back and he'll come running. That's what I did. Okay.
I think you should know what. That's wrong.
Where it's about to go.
Something like that.
I thought I was sending nudes to my boyfriend, but I actually sent them to his mum, and now things are really awkward. What should I do?
I don't know. Move countries. Laugh it off. It's one of those things that.
If the mum is chill, she'll just like won't even talk about it.
She'll either not talk. But then I always find that sort of thing is like I'd rather just talk about it. Then it's done.
You want to go to the mum? I'm
so
sorry,
sorry, I sent you those pictures. That's so funny. I would hate the awkwardness.
Do you know what? I'm going to be real with you
about it.
I don't think I could face her. I couldn't face her.
I don't know.
It's just embarrassing. It's just awkward. But it depends how close you are with the mum.
Yeah.
If you've got that kind of good connection, I guess you could just laugh it off. And it depends what kind of mum she is.
Yeah.
She might be like.
Well, all I can say is at least it wasn't the dad.
True.
So my boyfriend's been buying people's OnlyFans and I've seen it, but he's still denying it.
But then he's a liar.
Yeah.
And you don't deserve
then you just have to go to him, liar, liar, phantom liar. That was so cringe. Anyway, I'd just be like, excuse me. What I'd do is I'd get on his phone.
No, do you know what I'd do? Make an OnlyFans account.
Yeah, but like, if you're going to subscribe to them, you can subscribe to me.
Get that $1 in.
Yeah.
We're honestly messing. I just think One thing I hate, one of my things that I really,
Do you know what?
really hate
I'd be like,
lies.
right, I know you're lying. So if you carry on lying to me, I'm walking out that door.
I'd say, don't bother coming to me until you're going to be honest, and then I'll walk away.
Yeah.
Because you know when you know you're right, and you're adamant, and you got proof, why the frick are you going to let someone...
look at him like this? I know you're lying.
I know.
You carry on lying to me, away. I'll be out of here. You and me, be over. Be nothing.
Honestly, don't let him lie to you, because if he lies to you now, he'll carry on lying to you.
Or show him this video. You lied to her again, and that's it. She can do better than you, okay? So you sort yourself out, or I'll find her a new man, alright? Right, show him that.
I'm with the guy who never buys me anything. I treat him, and he never puts in effort to get me anything.
Aww.
Reminds me of TikTok.
That's the way? Aww. Something like that.
I don't know, this is a little bit of a tricky one. Is it that he's not buying you anything because he just generally can't afford to buy you anything?
Yeah.
Or is he doing other things in different ways to show you that love and maybe not having to buy you anything? Or is it just generally because he's lazy and doesn't want to go out there and even just treat you to a bunch of flowers?
I mean, it's not cool. Maybe he's just used to the fact that it's just effort from just one side, and he knows that he can get away with it because you still do it.
Stop the effort from your side and see if it makes a difference. Or maybe speak to him and be like, do I not deserve to have a little treat like I treat you all the time? It'd be nice once in a while to come home with a bunch of flowers. Like, you're not asking for the world. But I guess it is nice to be like treated every once in a while from your boyfriend, your partner. It'd be really, really nice. So I can understand that might be like disheartening for you. But don't know, maybe sit down and have a chat with him and see what it is and why he's not why he's not doing it. Like you, I've just met someone online and we get on so well. Any advice for when we first meet? Oh, I'll tell you, when I first met my boyfriend now, I was so nervous, wasn't I? I was panicking. I was so stressed because we spoke to each other so much on FaceTime and on like just WhatsApp and stuff for months before we ever met. And then when we met, it honestly feels so bizarre. But you know what? Just enjoy it.
You get used to it, like straight away. I guess that once you've had that first couple of chats, you'll be absolutely fine. You might be a bit nervous, but once you guys are together, you'll be fine. It'll be really fun. Just enjoy it and just think, oh my god, yay, finally we've met, as if we met during like lockdown. And just you will connect on the things you spoke about previously anyway. So you'll just maybe think of a few topics that you can talk about, so in case there's awkwardness, you can bring that up.
And I'll tell you one thing, show that you're confident, because if you come across really shy, they'll take advantage of that. That's what I noticed, because the first time I came across really shy because I actually was quite shy. Second time I came across really confident, and then he was really shy because I came across quite confident. So yeah, just have things ready in your head, things to talk about. It will be natural, don't worry. How can you tell if a guy really likes you?
Effort.
Biggest thing is effort, 100%.
Yeah, that's all I can say. Effort.
Because if you have no effort and they're not going out there to talk to you or just anything, they're not really that interested, are they?
Like, or
unless
the way
they're
they
paying hard to get.
Yeah, but no one does that after a while. So
the main thing is effort.
And you know that feeling that you get, always believe it.
That gut feeling.
Yeah.
Okay, that is most of the questions that we tried to answer for you guys. Thank you so much to everybody that sent me and Zeliha some questions. It was so fun to answer them on Look Fantastic's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. It would mean so much to us. And yeah,
I guess we'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Merry Christmas!